Hello everybody and welcome to Seaworld Orlando here on a little bit of a chilly Sunday here. Seven Seas Food Festival has begun 2 days ago and we are here for the first time. We came a day early on Thursday to ride Icebreaker's preview, and now we're here for Seven Seas Food Festival. Can't wait to check out what's going to be in store as well as anything else that's going to go on by. So without further ado, as there's no line to get into the park, let's get started. So before we go into the Seven Seas Food Festival, up ahead we're just going to check out a little bit of some of the dolphins over here at the Dolphin Nursery. And honestly, you know, the change was really cool because at least you get a lot more of an open feel. Before it was just kind of depressing. You can see the trainers are working on with the dolphins over there, which are really cool. You got another trainer over here to our left working with another dolphin that's in the tank. Well, they're doing a lot of training exercises, just you know, with feeding, communication as a whole. So it's actually really cool that they're doing this here. But as they say though, looks like they're feeding some krill and ice. It looks like they're maybe a little bit of shrimp. So I just want to show that real quick. So I just want to showcase the options that they have here. So they have a 10-item package for $65. You save up to 40%. Choose up to 10 food, brew, wine, or specialty. But the best value is a 15-item. It's $80. You save up to 50%. You get any 15 of the food, brew, wine, or any specialty drink samples. And obviously you can see this right here. That's the way to go right there. They have over 200 flavors, 75 plus craft beers, 50 unique eats, and 75 plus wines and cocktails. So I just want to show that real quick before we get our thing. We'll try out some of these foods and drinks. Can't wait. So we're over here at the technical first booth, which is Sunshine Hops. It's gonna be where you find all your beers. You got a sour ale, tropical hazy, and a blend orange sunset IPA. So a lot of the local beers. And then for wine, they have Line 39 Sauvignon Blanc, and special cocktails, a frozen watermelon frosé. So that's what's gonna be on there. I'm probably not gonna get anything from here. I'm gonna probably go for the food, but we'll see what else is gonna be in store there. So we're over here at booth number 7. That is the Polynesian Market. So what they have for the food is a spicy tuna poke bowl, which has got Maui sweet onion, Hawaiian nuts, and chili aioli, and a luau barbecue lamb ribs with pineapple barbecue and daikon slaw. They also have for specialty cocktails, Aloha lemonade with Tito's vodka, lemonade, and pomegranate juice. And for what's going to happen, I think my father's going to try number 2, the barbecue lamb ribs. And here's what the lamb ribs look like here. Smells actually really good. I'm not going to lie, it actually smells really good. So just want to show that before we get eating. Kind of go from there. Over at booth 9, we have Coaster Cocktails. I just want to showcase what they have over here. So Icebreaker has the Rega Vodka, Watermelon, Lavender, and Lime, Kraken, which is Monkey Shoulder Whiskey, Almond Orange, Langosta Bitters, Manta Sailor Jerry Spice Rum, Passion Fruit Puree, Hibiscus and Lemonade, and Mako, which is Milagro Tequila, Blueberry Pineapple, and Citrus Sour. All for $13.99, either one of them. So we got the Fontaine Cheese and Meatball. This is what they have over here. And then they also have a tiramisu, and then they have one other thing that was over there. I cannot remember off the top of my head, so I'm about ready to try this right now.
Yeah, buddy.
And see how it is, but this looks really good. I actually had a little bit of sauce. The sauce almost spilled, but I'll let you know that in just a minute. So far, do recommend the Italian Market. Really good, but we'll see how it goes from there. But the best part about the Italian Market and where it's at, Mako's right here, and that's what we're getting ready to do next. Can't wait. The good part about today, only a 10-minute wait. Let's get on. Time to drop. I think after riding Mako more and more, and I don't mind Icebreaker as a whole, but I think Mako is still the best coaster overall in the whole SeaWorld park. I think so. That's just me and my honest opinion, but I love Mako. It's so good. It's so amazing. Still think it's also the best hyper that I've ridden, hands down. Icebreaker definitely either number 2 or number 3. Hard to really tell at this point in time. Over by the Mediterranean Market, also by Mako and the Nautilus Theater, we have hummus and garlic kettle chips, grilled lamb chop, which is what I'm gonna try, the rosemary, garlic, and mint. They also have a berry panna cotta here. I'm not gonna try that there. They also have blood orange wheat ale, Mediterranean Rose Studio wine, and a special cocktail is a sparkling Saint Tropez. So I'm gonna try the grilled lamb chop. Let's get on from there. And this is what's featured right here. I had this last year and this was actually very, very good. So can't wait to try it this year and see how good it is. Over the Brazilian Market, which is number 15, they have a pão de queijo, which is Brazilian cheese bread, Brazilian pinca steak, and also it's new for this year, a maracujá mojito mousse. And there's a Brazil Loves New England IPA, Passoa sangria, and a frozen basil and mint capriana. Forgive me, I cannot speak Brazilian, but honestly, number 2 I'm going to give a try there, which is pictured right over here. Let's give it a shot. Last time we came here, Infinity Falls was down and they drained all the water out. Today it is running, the water's going, and from what I'm seeing, earlier there were people on it, but it is a little too cold just to be on it today. It doesn't stream like a day to hop on it. Overall, I don't mind the ride, but just, I wish you get more wet. There is another booth that's over at Waterway Bar. That's over when you head towards Infinity Falls. We're probably gonna check that out in just a minute. Over at the Island Market, they have a crispy Reuben egg roll with brisket, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and Thousand Island dressing. They have classic mini shepherd's pie, beef, cabbage, cheddar, mashed potatoes, and a glazed corned beef, Irish whiskey glaze, marbled potatoes, cabbagey cornbread. They also have Guinness, no surprise there, and Irish cold brew, Bailey's ice cream, Jack Daniel's honey, and cold brew. So it should be interesting to say the least. I think probably get the corned beef. We'll see. So I would have mentioned the German Market. That chocolate dip footlong pretzel, holy cow, it is good. If you come here, go to the German Market. It is right before you get to Sesame Street Land on this side right here. That footlong pretzel is amazing. That's, to me, my honest opinion for the food. That's top of the list there. Icebreaker. As you can see, they're still doing pass holder previews going on by, with the grand opening stated for February 18th. So, the last time we came here, it was for Gold and Platinum, and it is still for Gold and Platinum. Lions actually are using the switchbacks out in the first area, so we're gonna get a ride on it. So it is 3 o'clock. That means the tribute to Santana is going on right now over Bayside Stadium, but we are getting ready to do Icebreaker. Let's get some rides on this bad boy. Don't get me wrong,
Most powerful. Yeah.
I love Life Force.
Dragster is pretty cool.
I'm so glad I got to do that. I'm so glad I got to do that. I tried to get my buddy. I'm like, come on, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. He said, nah, man, I can't. I said, come on, get on the damn thing. Couldn't do it.
The Earnhardt experience.
Oh, I-305?
Yep.
Oh, I want to do that so bad.
Chicanes are my favorite part.
Have you done Steel Vengeance yet?
I don't know.
Oh, man.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, yeah, it's fun. Oh, you may want to hang on.
This is my second time on it.
Oh, this is my 6th time.
Nice.
Second in the front.
I've only been in the front this time.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Top Thrill Dragster, the first time I rode it was in the front.
Oh, you're lucky. I've only been on the back and the middle. Whoa. Whoa. Woo!
There it is.
Yeah, right? Woo! 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 Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I'm so ready for Iron Boss though, man. That's gonna be the thunder one. I can already tell. It's so good. Gotta say, very good ride in the front. You can actually get a lot of good airtime on the front row, which is amazing. But of course, the best part when you're done with the ride, you get a lot of good angles and views coming from here, which is absolutely awesome. Especially once they come into the brake run. Like right as you come over here, when they hit that brake run. But yeah, you can see though, great ride overall. Good addition for SeaWorld Orlando. I just wish they got rid of their shin guards though. But oh well.
Sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice. Welcome back. With the line set carefully over the bar. The icebreaker. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Want to showcase some of the stuff in the queue for Icebreaker here. And they show a lot of things about defining by ice, which is actually really, really neat. And I like how they have it set up for the props. Even though it's for a SeaWorld park here, still they do not bad for the way how it just sets up as a whole. Arctic Circle right over here. Arctic is changing, showing how much it changed the Arctic is as a whole. And another switchback shows about a helping hand for Alaska Sea Life Center. That's pretty nice. So now that we got that out of the way, let's kind of show you what it would look like in the queue for Icebreaker here. And then they got another map saying how far away is the Arctic, closer than you think. Really neat there. Forgive me, the text is so hard to read because it's so small, but I was barely able to read it. But as they say, let's get ready to hop on the ride. Yippee.
To break the ice.
2 train ups. So they have people actually doing a beluga whale program going on where they're showing them how to feed the beluga whales, showing some really cool tricks. Probably just one of the animal tourists going by here. This is actually really cool. It's the first time I've seen the beluga whales here in quite some time, so it's actually great to see that they're out here and all that. So we're about ready to watch the Aerosmith tribute that is going on in a few minutes. This is gonna be fun. Can't wait to see an awesome show here. And Time Warp, we finished up on the concert of the tribute of Aerosmith here at Jaded. These guys were absolutely awesome. Kudos to SeaWorld for inviting them over. This was a really, really good concert. They had the Santana tribute a couple hours earlier, and it's now a little after 7, so we are almost about out of here because the park does close at 8.